Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be finding out, will a 10 amp AC power cord run a computer that is rated for 15 amps? We're going to be finding out today. So I'm going to PC, no signal. So let's do this. Yeah, right. You get in there. We're going to plug it into the PC. Here we go. There it is. Light comes on. Alright, we're going to be powering it on in 3, 2, 1. Seems to be working. Anything on the monitor? Oh. Keyboard error. It's showing a keyboard error, but it should still boot. Yep, it's booting up. It's working. Hard drive seems to be working. It's working. So yes, I think it would work. Let's see if it gets to the lock screen. This computer's like 10 years old, so it's gonna take a while. But it should work. Oh, should work. So yes, I think you can.